back to my channel. I'm doing another vegan kind unboxing because, you know, I love these boxes, mainly because I love trying out new vegan treats. This is the November box. It arrived a couple of weeks ago and just haven't had a chance to film this video, so it's been sat unopened on the side. So I'm hoping there's nothing in here that needs to have been in the fridge, because that's going to be mouldy. I'm really hoping that there is some chocolate in here because it's nearly Christmas and all I want to do is eat chocolate. So let's see, what do we have? As I open it, I will obviously explain what vegan kind boxes are, if I can do two things at once. Basically, the vegan kind subscription box is a box you receive once a month, and there's two different boxes. You can get a beauty box, or what I get, which is a lifestyle box, which can be food and sort of like not food, things that I've had a cutlery set and like body wash and things like that in the past. So I love getting this box, one of my favourite things to receive. I'm going to be putting this on my Christmas list again in December because, tell you what, getting one of these boxes every month is just so joyful. I'll leave a link to them down below. It's not a referral code, but I will leave a link down below if you want to check them out. You don't have to be vegan either, if you want just to try vegan food. So let's dig in. What's the first thing? Ooh, first thing we have is rice crackers, hot Thai chili. 11:15. I'm chowing down on spicy food. I think the word hot has been omitted from the actual thing. It looks a little bit like a Rice Krispie. You know, a Rice Krispie's bunched together. It's not spicy at all. They really remind me of the, I don't know what they're called. The little round orange spicy things. Oh, that one was a bit spicy. Oh, got right under my tongue. They're like Thai chili things as well, aren't they? They're like little crisps, little round ones, a bright orange. They're really tasty. I don't know if I think they're vegan. I've never really looked into it. I just eat them anyway. So these remind me of them, but I think these are 100% natural, whereas I think the other ones probably aren't as much. But yeah, they're nice stuff. I don't think I'll buy them again though, because like I said, they don't taste very like anything. A little bit spicy, but there's no like other flavour to it. Anyway, that's number one. Next thing we have is Harvest Snaps, plant-based snacks, sour cream and chive, crunchy lentil rings, baked, not fried. Gonna give it a go. Oh, wow, wow. These are delicious. Sour cream flavoured things are so nice, but obviously a lot of the things now aren't vegan because obviously it's sour cream. These are delightful. Oh man, 100% recommend these. I just want to eat all these now, but I will resist. I'm going to eat them after this video. More crisps, blimey. Piper's Pitta Chips, Cawdor Hills, garlic and herbs. Not herb, herbs. I really dislike crisps that are like thick like this. Too crunchy. No. Double baked, that's why. What for? The flavour is fine. Just the texture is so dry. These remind me of like when you go on a plane and they give you like free crisps. Also, apologies if the light keeps changing. Where I usually sit, which is over there by the window, it's so bright, and so I've moved to further end of the room, and then there's still the light is coming round. I'm hoping I don't get blinded any minute now. Right, next thing is, ooh, Milkman chocolate oat milk, dairy-free deliciousness. Love is the drug. Not only is Milkman chocolate oat milk tremendously tasty and 100% natural, it'll put a spring in your step and a smile on your face. Not sure about chocolate milk in a tin. Should this have been kept in the fridge? I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm gonna shake it. I'm assuming it's not fizzy. Chocolate oat milk fizzy would be vile, so in a tin. Oh. Hold on. In the first instance, it's nice. But it has like a very cacao flavour aftertaste. I don't think it's bad, but it does have like a very sort of like, I don't know what the word is, but it doesn't taste like, it's the aftertaste that I can't get my head around. Apart from that, it's actually very nice. Next thing, all-purpose vegan balm. Avocado almighty balm, sustainably made from avocado, mango and hemp. That's that there. What is a balm? Moisturise by applying the balm on dry, cracked lips, skin / surfaces. Oh, okay, very small thing. I'm going to try it because my lips are very dry at the minute. I think the weather isn't helping. Oh, right, is there anything in there? Oh my god, it's really hard to get out. Eek. That's rock solid, so that's good. Okay, it does go on alright. It's a lip balm, very hard to get out of the tube, but as far as I'm aware, it's doing the job. Doesn't taste or smell of anything, so I'm not sure. I mean, obviously that's a good thing. It says it's made from avocado and mango. I'm like, maybe it'll taste like avocado and mango, or just mango. No, tastes like nothing. So there's that. Next thing is, oh thank god, I was about to say, where's all the chocolate? Buttermilk, plant powered salt caramel cups. I love, love, love the brand Buttermilk. They are probably one of my favourite vegan chocolate brands, but they are very pricey, so I don't get to buy them very often. So when I get them in these boxes, it makes me very happy. So, oh, yum! The bag is 100% recyclable, apparently. That's good. Oh, these are delicious. I'm not going to eat another one, because if I eat another one, they'll all be gone soon. But, oh, these are just what I was wanting in this box. Yes! Buttermilk are, like, I really recommend them. If you ever see it in the shop and it's ever discounted or on sale, or you just fancy treating yourself, highly recommend the brand Buttermilk. Delicious. We've got 2 things left. What's this one? Oh, how am I going to try this? I am not okay. Garlicky umami bold. Oh great, grated alternative to a certain Italian cheese who we cannot mention. What on earth? Oh, how am I going to do this? Perfect to sprinkle on pasta, pizza, risotto, salad, soups, your tongue. It's so good, it's great. I would assume it's similar to Parmesan. Is that what it's saying? I don't know why I can't mention it. Is Parmesan some sort of like trademark? How do I open it? Oh, I'm going to just try it. The smell of Parmesan is quite strong, isn't it? So if it smells like the smell, then we'll know. Whoa, that is strong. Let's try it though. I don't know if it... Oh yeah. Okay, it's very salty, which is fine. I don't mind that. But it has the smell. It really smells like blue cheese. Whoa. Somebody didn't really eat blue cheese beforehand. That's intense. It smells like blue cheese or cheese. Not really sure if it tastes like cheese, but maybe if I like put it on pasta or something, it would like add something to it. But the smell of it, whoa. If you like blue cheese and you're vegan, I would suggest trying this because that is strong. And the last thing in the box is strawberry creams, dark chocolate with strawberry infused fondant centres. There we go. Have to admit, I'm a little bit bummed out that there's not much chocolate in this box. The buttermilk was probably the only thing. I think I've had these before. They're all right. They're sort of like pound shop type chocolates, so nothing special. I will eat them, obviously. I like strawberry filled things, that's fine. But they're nothing too exciting. I was hoping in like the November box there might be a bit more sort of Christmassy themed stuff. So these look like this. Oh, a bit like you'd say like, I think this is a bit similar to like the roses strawberry one. You know, when I say like roses, like the box of roses. They're really nice. It's just not, it's not this, you know? If you were someone who really liked the strawberry or orange filled chocolates that you got in roses boxes or is it Quality Street? I really recommend these sorts of things. So yeah, I've had these in the past and they are really nice. So it does taste like those sorts of chocolates, but obviously it's dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate that you'd get in Cadbury's and stuff. But realistically, I'm fine with that. I'm hoping the next box has more buttermilk things in there. I like the crisps, obviously, but I just want more sweet things. And then what's inside your box? You do get a little leaflet in there. Sometimes there are options of what you could have got instead. This time it seems like there were no other options, which is good, because sometimes you're like, I wish I'd got that one instead of the one I got. So everything I got in my box today, you can buy from the Vegan Kind supermarket. I highly recommend checking it out. They have everything on there you could ever possibly want, but a vegan version of it. And yeah, that's it for this box. I'm liking it. It wasn't my favourite box. I could have done more chocolate like I've mentioned. I would say I'll give this box like around a 7 out of 10. These crisps were a big fat flop. These crisps were an absolute 10 out of 10. So yeah, not 100% fantastic, but we got some good things. And now I'm going to go downstairs and eat all of it in one sitting. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe. I do post these videos quite regularly because I love to share what I get in my Vegan Kind boxes. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!